talking about this particular topic. I don't. The Kuladevata of your parents' side will definitely take care of you. Somebody would have told you, or you could have got it from somewhere, or would have read it from somewhere, or there would be temples where the boards would have been kept where you have to, where you would have read. And hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So today's vlog is about, I felt like talking about this particular topic. I don't know why, but I just thought I have to tell this today. So the topic is about, there are a lot of mantras and there are a lot of gods, and we get confused with which mantra to say, which god to worship and all that. And there are ishta devatas also, and especially first you have to definitely worship your kula devata and grama devata. And apart from that, and for the ladies, it's always said that you have to worship your, after wedding, you have to worship your Kuladevata of your husbands, and then the Kuladevata of your parents' side will definitely take care of you, and still you have to worship Kuladevata of your parents' side also. That will always be in our mind. And the thing which I want to talk to you specifically is, there are a lot of mantras, but there would be one mantra, or there would be one, not just mantra. There would be some ashtakams, or there would be some lines from Sahasranama or something like that, where somebody would have told you, or you could have got it from somewhere, or would have read it from somewhere, or there would be temples where the boards would have been kept where you have to, where you would have read and would have memorized it. So such kind of information you would have taught in your mind from the childhood. So the hint is that maybe that you would have told that mantra, and that particular task would have been done successfully. And I want to tell you is that don't get confused with too many mantras. One mantra is for financial abundance, and one is for getting strength, and one is to take away, cure the diseases, and so one is to get the house, to become rich, financial abundance, wealth, and all that. So but still there are a lot of mantras, but just stick to one mantra. That one mantra will take you, will solve all your problems. So that's what I have seen. It's not just that that one mantra is for financial abundance, or that one mantra is for giving strength, or that one mantra is for curing away your disease or whatever. But that mantra, I mean, the deeper meaning is not for that, but that mantra is for you, is for me. So that mantra, think about that mantra which you would have, somebody would have told, maybe your uncle, aunt, or somebody would have told you, and you are reciting that. But because of too many social media, YouTube and all that, you might have got confused, and you would have started reciting with something else, diverted your path, and you would have been doing lot of things. But that would have confused you, and would have come back from that. But just go back to that, and just think of that. You will definitely get a goosebump when you would have recited that, or when you would have memorized it. That particular particular task would have resolved successfully. So think of that. That could be something which will definitely will keep your, if you have any manifestation in mind, and if you are dreaming of something, that will definitely happen, and it will make your life successful. So think of that. That is what I thought I will talk to you about today. So I think that would resolve your problem also. And think of your childhood, or somebody would have told you, and think of that, or go back to all the mantras, and then think which mantra has given you that goosebumps, or giving you that strength. So that mantra will definitely take you to success and take you to the greater heights. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Okay, bye everyone. I'm getting ready to office now. So this is the key of my car I manifested. So I definitely I thought I have to talk about this and then start to office. So that is why I was sitting, and then I thought I have to talk about this and then I'll start. So hope you liked it. Bye bye.